Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to turn on text-to-speech read aloud on any Samsung phone.
Customize the Albums tab. Select a few essential albums to ship.
Now to enable this feature, just go to your home screen and open Play Store. And in the search bar, just search this and install this app. And once the app is installed, just go to your home screen and open Settings. Then go to Accessibility and tap on Installed Apps. Then go to Select to Speak and enable Select to Speak shortcut. Then tap on Allow. And once you do that, the accessibility icon will appear in your navigation bar. Now to enable Select to Speak, just tap on the accessibility icon. Now just select on anything on the screen to enable Select to Speak.
Tap specific items on your screen to hear the reader described aloud. How to use Select to Speak. Start.
And this is how you can turn on text-to-speech read aloud on any Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.